7 principles to pass on to our kids. I can provide you with the 7 essential leadership values that parents may instill in their kids to ensure positive outcomes. 1. Pursue your dreams. Nothing compares to having your family support you in life. My uncle gave me the confidence to believe in myself. I didn't have a dad, so my uncle was like a dad figure to me. That gave me a solid platform on which to launch my endeavor and accomplish my objectives. 2. Develop plans and strategies. A strategy is necessary to realize any ambition. The capacity to make plans was one of the most important lessons my uncle ever gave me. He gave me advice on how to approach problems analytically and comprehend the essential elements that lead to success. Skill in solving problems can almost eliminate any obstacles standing in the way of realizing your goals. Without a plan, no progress can take place. 3. Responsibility. The growing trend in our culture to place the burden of blame elsewhere truly disturbs me. My uncle made sure I knew that I was the only one who could accept accountability for my deeds. He assisted me in accepting the harsh reality that actions have repercussions. My uncle instilled in me the value of thinking things through, weighing my alternatives, considering opposing viewpoints, and projecting possible consequences before blindly acting. Responsibility and intention. 4. Self-reliance. My uncle gave me the perseverance I need to achieve and direct my life in the direction I want to go. Independence, perseverance, and transform the world. 5. Gratitude. My uncle taught me to be grateful for my life, especially the little joys like going to art fairs together. I learned to love life and approach each day with amazement. 6. Make knowledge investments. My uncle helped me realize how important information is. I even got to attend art lectures with him at the British Museum. My family is a strong proponent of personal growth. My passion for learning has helped me advance in my work. Invest in self-education. 7. Ongoing enhancement. Acquiring information goes hand in hand with being able to put it to use, especially when it comes to bettering oneself or others. Instead of just kicking back and seeming indifferent, my uncle instilled in me the idea that I should always be improving. He urged me never to conform to the status quo or adopt the mindset of the masses. He instilled in me the belief that practice really makes perfect and the habit of always exploring one's potential for growth. Real transformation begins on the inside. Of course, my uncle taught me a lot more than just these 7 fundamental leadership concepts while I was growing up. These are the main qualities that come to me when I reflect gratefully on the knowledge my uncle bestowed on me when I was younger. I feel compelled to share them with you in order to support you as you go. If you are fortunate enough to have children or grandkids, remember that your actions and words set an example for their success. Parenting is a difficult and wonderful duty. Use caution while selecting your words. Tell them true stories instead than simply fantastical ones. Be their greatest fan no matter what, and don't be scared to be less than flawless. My uncle's unwavering support and pragmatic viewpoint make it possible for me to help others achieve their goals. I will be sharing more principles in future articles. Nuril Gino Yazdinian.